Hello everyone, welcome back to Complete Laravel Development. Because before we start our career development journey, let me walk through this overview of the entire application we are going to build. And bear in mind, it is dynamic based web application. It's advanced portfolio system. So we have a dynamic slider here. Everything is managed by database and it's from admin back end. So let me walk you through. We have our about us. And we have our services. You can upload a lot of you can upload a lot of services you want. And this is our portfolio project we have done for people. Let's say our clients. And bear in mind, we will work through this one. We will read everything in step-by-step approach. And this is our client side. So let's go to about us and see what we have. So this is our about us portfolio side. That is our about us. We have our team. We have Alexander, we have the chief programmer, we have your hacker, senior hacker, we have Kukos, the CTO, and we have Charles Martin, the front end developer, and we have your there is the CEO, the chief hacker. This is our team. You can, all these items is from database and it's controlled by administrative panel. And let's walk through to our team itself. What we have, we have those kind of people we are working with, the CEO and the rest. So let's go back to the services page. So we will build this one step-by-step approach and everything will be much clearer to you. You can add more and let's go to portfolio side like this. When we click on the plus sign here, it will show like a slider form. You can slide it. Yes. And one more thing. Everything is dynamic managed from the database. Let me show you the database. Everything is dynamic from database. So let's go to the contact us page here. This is our contact us page. The map for it is loading. So this is our company location or your location. And this is the email and the call. That is your telephone number. And here you can send us email message you want, or you can send us contact us message. And this map link is dynamically managed from the database and administrative panel. So it means you can change it in any day, anytime you want. Everything you see here is dynamic managed by administrative panel. So let's try to send some message to the owner of this site. Let's say your name will be Michael. And your email will be, let's say, mk@gmail.com. And the subject is called, I want to learn with you, or I want to work with you. And the message is blah, 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 blah. So let's click on type send message. Yes, message sent successfully. So your message has been sent to the owner of this site through the administrative panel. We will go there and I will show you step-by-step approach. And one more thing, we have the WhatsApp icon here. It means we have integrated WhatsApp in your portfolio. If the person wants to reach you directly, he can type on the WhatsApp icon here and he starts chatting with you, the owner of this site. So let's test it and see. Due to the internet problem, it will load, but it will keep some time. So let me walk you through the remaining aspect. Let's go to the administrative side here. So we have administrative dashboard. So let me try and log in, and I will come for registration part, and everything is dynamically showed on. It's dynamically managed from the database. So let me log in as administrator. Yes, as I have logged in as an administrator, let's go back to the previous share on WhatsApp. Continue to chat. So it will direct you to the WhatsApp API like this one. And let's click on continue to chat and see. And here you say you must use WhatsApp web or download. I have opened WhatsApp web. So let me use WhatsApp web and see. It's not loading. So let's wait for it to load. Alright, so let's go back to the admin dashboard here. We have manage client session, whereby you will use to manage your client. that is your client here. Let me go back to the front end session. Everything is dynamically rotated. That is slider. This is the client session. Let's say you have the editors, you have the client you have worked for or you have worked with. So let me take you back to say this means you can add new one and the rest. You can add new one, and let me go to the manage portfolio. The portfolio side is multi-select, multi-image select. You can select multiple image like this one, and you hold your control key here and you upload it like this. Now see it's too fast selected, and you click on the save portfolio. Yes, and I have introduced you to the toast message and the rest and switch alert message. Let's try to delete this one and see. You see, are you sure you want to delete? Yes. When you click on this one, it has deleted successfully. And let's go back to the slider. So everything is managed, totally managed from the database. Everything is dynamic, and I also introduced to you how to do pop-up modals in your applications. That is pop-up modals. Yes, nice one. Like this slider, blah 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 blah, and the rest. Everything is totally dynamic from the database. It's managed from the database. Let's go to services. I did mention earlier that everything you can load services many times as you want, like this. And let's go to about us. That is it. Everything will be managed from database. And let's go back to our team session here. Yes, you can add and also edit and delete. Everything is managed by the administrative dashboard in database. It's still loading. Let me go back and let me go to the contact us page. So everything will be dynamic. Please, this course is focused on you don't know. It means you don't know how to program at all. I was starting from scratch to this the advanced topics like how to implement dynamic sliders in the rest. And bear in mind, if you manage to complete this course, you become highly intermediate programmer, and you don't need to waste a lot of time on school or either YouTube tutorials. Some are not complete yet. So let's go to manage contact messages and the rest like this. You see the message we just sent, that the Michael and MK. So the owner on this side will see your message and get back to you through your email you submitted. That is it. Let's try to delete. Everything is made by database. And let's go back to the portfolio profile, and everything is intact. And let's go to logout and see. And one more thing, let's try to register new user and see. Register. The reason why I will show you I will show you how you can hide this register bit is because it's not for the whole public, it's for some particular people only. So let's continue. You see, we added new portfolio projects in our portfolio side in the backend administrative. Yes, it has reflected, and keep in mind we deleted one from it. That's why it remained this one. So let me walk you through the administrative the register part. We will hide this one from any user, so don't worry. I need to showcase the new one called master. Let's click it master, and email called master@gmail.com, and password called, let's make it master 12345, and another one called master 12345. So this means that we have configured email configuration password. Whenever we trigger register button, it will prompt you a message that go and verify your email message, and the email message will come to the requested email you just provided. So let's click on the button register.